Let's get you up to speed now on the housing market, which remains, for the most part, frozen by these higher mortgage rates. However, a slight downtick in rates did see a corresponding bump in refinancing. The Mortgage Bankers Association seeing a 5% increase in applications to refinance a home last week. That's compared to last year, however, volume still down 86% overall. Mortgage application volume did rise 1.2%. The housing market, like the rest of us, eagerly awaiting tomorrow's CPI number. They don't necessarily go hand in hand, but it's believed that if we get a lighter than expected inflation number, we're going to continue to see relief in the mortgage rates, somewhere landing in that mid-5 range next year. I think, Seana, the biggest story in housing was actually yesterday late afternoon. Wells Fargo announcing they're going to pare back their mortgage business. They were often the leader in this industry, which I think tells you a lot about the big picture happening with mortgages. When someone like Wells has said, I'm good, we're going to get out, it's going to be a long road ahead.
Yeah, certainly.
These little numbers, I don't make too much of.
No, and also it's very important to put it in context. That year-over-year drop that you mentioned, they're still down 86%. So yes, we are seeing a bit of an uptick, but we are still far from out of the woods yet on this downturn that we are seeing in housing. A lot of the forecasts out there saying that we're not going to see a significant uptick in housing inactivity maybe until the very end of 2023 or even the beginning of 2024. So certainly going to be a challenging road here. And speaking about some of those refinancing numbers, there's data out from Black Knight saying that at the current rate right now, just 270,000 borrowers would benefit from refinancing. Comparing that to the number that we saw pre-pandemic or in the middle of the pandemic when the mortgage rates were less than half of what they are right now. Clearly, millions of Americans were able to benefit from refinancing. So still a very, very small group that would benefit from doing refinancing.
Yeah, most locked somewhere in the low to mid threes. And I don't think we're going to see that number until, late 24, maybe 25. But I think things start freeing up. To your point, late 23, early 24.
Yeah.